Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this white flash fuzzy zoom transition in the CapCut mobile. So first, just add your clips and click on the transition box in between the clips. Click on overlay and add the white flash transition. Click on apply to all and click on the check icon. So now click on the second clip, go to animation, combo, then apply the zoom to transition, animation, this one. Okay, apply it also to the third clip. Click on the check icon. Now go to the video effect. Click on video effect. Find the fuzzy video effect. Okay, this one. Add it to your clips and adjust it. So change the lateral to 50. Only change this. Click on the check icon. Now make it short and put it in between the clips like this. So click on object and choose all videos and add 3 keyframes here. Okay, like this. And on the third and the first keyframe, change the intensity to 0. Like this. Now duplicate it and put it for the rest of the transition. Okay, so now it is done and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.